Hi, I'm Alexander, and today we're going to take a look at Dekoni's Elite Velour replacement earpads for Audio-Technica's ATH AD series headphones. The earpads for today's episode were kindly provided by Dekoni Audio in exchange for my honest review. As always, I'm not paid to say anything in particular about this product, and all thoughts and opinions in today's episode are my own. Dekoni makes great earpads for full-size headphones, and I was really excited to test their earpads on my Audio-Technica ATH AD 700X that needed its earpads replaced. The earpads arrive in a stylish square box. Inside the box we have a pair of earpads, a Dekoni sticker, and a thank you card. These earpads are compatible with ATH AD 500X, 700X, 900X, 1000X, and 2000X. The earpads are made of velour and the pads are 110mm in diameter, the inner cut of the earpad is 55mm, and the height of the earpad is 20mm. Original earpads in comparison are almost the same size, but Dekoni pads are more uniform and dense. Dekoni has spent a lot of time developing and refining their velour earpads. They use a tighter velour to create an earpad that behaves more like conventional leather, but at the same time preserving the velour's comfort. This helps to maintain the sound isolation and bass response, both of which are the usual downsides when using typical velour earpads. Luckily, this is not the case with Dekoni's Elite Velour. Replacing your headphone earpads isn't complicated as you might think. The ATH AD series don't use any glue, so the process is straightforward. First, lightly pull away a small portion around the outer edge of the old earpad. Continue working around and pulling away the rest of the headphone earpad until it completely comes off the ear cup. Repeat the process for the other side as well. When you take the new earpads from Dekoni, there is a way to tell which one is the left one and which one is the right one, is to look at the inside part of the earpads. The left earpad has a thin white line around the perimeter of the earpad. Now take the new earpad, look for the seam and align the seam to the bottom part of the ear cup. Then line up one side of the new pad into the plastic groove of the ear cup, and I suggest going from back part of the ear cup where the plastic is wider. Once you got a portion of the ear pad ring securely in place, continue with the rest of the ear pad by sliding the ring into the groove using your fingers. Then slightly rotate the ear pad to secure the entire ring in its place. In fact, the entire process is quite simple and it took me under 10 minutes from start to finish. The new earpads fit well, they look great and really complement my pair of AD 700X. Now let's talk about the most interesting part, the changes that have been introduced with the earpad swap. The first thing that I noticed was that the earpads increased the comfort, and this became even more obvious during my first long listening session with the new earpads. The stock earpads on AD 700X are soft, but comfort of Dekoni's Elite Velour, in my opinion, is a step forward. They are cozy and feel so great that after my first long listening session I didn't want to take off my headphones. The second thing is that the bass response of my AD 700X improved a bit. Yes, the new replacement earpads from Dekoni slightly altered the bass response, but in a good way. Those familiar with AD 700X know that this is a very lean sounding pair of headphones with a large soundstage. And while some recordings and application benefit from a tuning like this, for the most part I had to EQ my pair and give it a slight bass boost. Not that Elite Velour earpads from Dekoni replaced my need to EQ, but now I don't need to EQ this pair as much as I previously did, which to me sounds like a win-win situation. Let's summarize. I think that Dekoni Elite Velour earpads are a great upgrade for your ATH AD series headphones. It makes your listening experience more enjoyable, as this pair is more comfortable than the stock earpads, and it also slightly alters the sound in a good way. Pros: easy to fit, very comfortable, earpads provide good isolation, and they are reasonably priced. Cons: earpads slightly alter the bass response, which can be a deal breaker for some people. I will leave all the links to the product in the description of this video, so if you are looking for new earpads for your ATH AD series headphones, make sure you check Dekoni's Elite Velour earpads. Alright guys, that's all from me for today, and I hope that you enjoyed this review. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to receive new video updates. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.